everyone, I am sharing with you another easy project that you're going to love. This is a 9-inch circle that I cut from the paper. To make it, you have to get the big piece of paper and you fold it in half and you fold it again, and then after that you go on around and you go on to mark 4.5 inch all around. So then you have the 9-inch circle. From the 9-inch circle, you fold it in half, and then from that you go on to divide into 3 equal parts. So then you can cut it a hexagon. So after you divide into 3, you open this up and then you go on to mark around the line that you just fold. So now you have 6. So go connect the points, then you can have the hexagon. So connect them all, and then after that you go into, either way you can cut it out or you can fold it down like that. I like to fold it because for the future, if I want to use the 9-inch circle, then I have it. I don't have to make a new one. So after that, I have placed on the fabric and I cut one for the main fabric and another one in the back. In the center, I use the inch bright. I also cut on the paper of the 4.5-inch square, and I place it on the fabric. I cut out 6 pieces of the square. With this straight cut scissor, it make the cutting easier. So with this 6 pieces, I'm gonna do one, and then you going to do the other 5 exactly the same. Fold it in half and fold it in half again. If your fabric lie down easier for you, you don't need to iron. But I have to. It's 100% cotton. Just do exactly what I'm doing. 4 versus triangle, and you going to do all 6 of them the same. So everyone, after I finish all 6, I'm going to place each piece of the red triangle on each side of the hexagon, just like so, and make sure it's straight up and everything. Then you can clip all around. This is very important step, but it's super easy. So just go around and place it in the 6 sides of the hexagon, but make sure you clip it down to like I'm doing right now. I have made this before for my family and for the Valentine. So beautiful. And now after that, you go on around and 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, so all around. One after I sew in the red 1/4 of an inch all around, I have cut in here that 2.5 inches wide the black fabric. Now with the black stripe of fabric, I'm going to go to each side of the hexagon and place the fabric there. Clip it. You have to take the clip and put on the table because it making noise, and last time my subscriber say the dog barking like crazy. So 1/4 of an inch seam allowance sewn to that side of the hexagon. So after I sew, you can flap it on the right side, and cut the extra from the black away. But everybody do things different. I do what I do, and you can do whatever you want to do. So I have the little extra on the side like that. I don't mind, but just leave it there at the end. I can cut that. I don't want to, waste my time for that. So now a quarter up and in seam allowance, you do exactly the same. This time you sew on the top down. So after that, I'm not gonna bother to cut that piece. I can cut that at the end. So if you want to cut it now, but I'm not. I'm just flap it up, and then I continue to go in the back here. Again, you can go on the front and cut it if you want everybody different, everyone. This white pen, I got it from Walmart. It's super easy when I draw on the black fabric. So repeat the same step until you finish on 6 sides of the hexagon. Now after I cut, you see how the 6 corner so beautiful. I'm going the back here. You see the flap? Earlier I told you not to worry about it. Now you can go and trim it. See, you cut down your time, you don't pay attention to it. Now this is the best time you can see that extra. Trim it. Super easy. It's right there. Hold it up, go straight, and cut. A lot of people like taking so much time to, go ruler and measure here and there. I'm like, no, leave it there. At the end, it's right here. Just trip. Okay, it's not hurting. It is so easy. Now you go on to iron the whole thing, and then come back. I'll show you what to do next. After I iron everything is down, I have the paper that I cut in 2 inches wide. I'm gonna go right on this line, the sew line, and I'm going to place it there. And the extra on the side, I'm going to cut this off. You can cut directly like this if you want to. My sister is really helpful when I cut in the straight line. So make sure if you have a chance to look around for the straight cut scissor. I don't know, I asked in my description box, but it sold out so quickly. I don't know, it's still available. This one. So everyone, after I trim all around, I can go and top stick all the 6 sides. So everyone, after I top stitch all 6 sides here, I have cut in here the back fabric exactly the same, so when you place it, place the right side down to the fabric, so when you cut it, after you cut, everything is there for you, so all you need to do just pin and sew around. This is the easiest way. This is one of my long time subscriber requests, so I hope you make this too. You see my phone right there? That is for me, just in case the school text me message about my kid, if I come and pick them up early or later, so I know, because when I do the video, I don't pay attention to who texts me or who call me. So now when you're done, you're going to mark on the side, any side 3 inches, so sew a quarter of an inch, sew around and leave it 3 inches open so you can inside out. So everyone, after I sew around, and I go trim the corners just like so, and the space that I left it open, go and fold and press before you inside out. Go and iron the whole thing, everyone, and then after that you're gonna top stitch around here. Okay, so after I top stitch around the 6 sides here, everyone, you can stop right here if you want to, but don't be crazy like I am crazy. So I'm going to add the bow on each corner right here, 14 inches long. This ribbon, it doesn't fray when you cut. You see how it is? It's nice to do ornament, so I got a lot. And so you're going to fold it in half. I press right in the center. This end I'm gonna loop to that center, like the end go to me. Okay, I'm gonna hold that, and then this end right here, it going away from me, so it loop this way. When you put it in here, make sure you put right on top of this square right here. Okay, so then make sure you do that. It's very important. Okay, now you have the number 8 right here at the center. You go to bring it down. Let me take this out so you can see. Take this out, and then you go on to bring it to half of the square. Okay, now you have half of the square here. It's like a triangle kind of, and now you have this one right here. hold it together. And now if someone who want to use the thread needle and sew and pull, you can do that. Other way to make too, but I use the clip here, and I'm going to hold this together right in the center like so. Okay, and then I'm going to use a tiny ribbon so I can tie this together, going right into that hole, turn around, go in the back, tie it. This I like the ribbon because I have the two hand free that I can tie this ribbon, and then I tied it again. When you're done, take this clip out, you're done with the bow. How simple and easy to make. So the corner where I start the top stitch, that where I'm going to add the bow to it on each corner of the hexagon. I use a hot glue to glue the bow on each corner of the hexagon, but if you want to, you can sew it if you want. I have used the glue in the past and it stay forever. Since Valentine and we wash many times. Just so you know, the bow that go around the corner of this hexagon, this is optional. You don't have to do this, everyone. This is how I am. So you can skip this part if you don't want to. And it's still looking very pretty. I have a hold the camera and it 10" in a quarter. So let me show you one of the common I mentioned earlier, so you can tell me what you think. So if you don't understand me, go to the channel. They only do poetry and music, and you will understand that better. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and also click on the like button every time you watch the video. That helps my channel a lot. Make sure you click on the bell notification. Every time I upload a video, you get notified. Thank you for the people who support my channel by joining the channel membership and also donate to my channel. Love you. Stay safe. Take care, everyone.